The Zuri pre-made corner was designed with two specific roles. One is to eliminate the glue from the job site, and the other one was to simplify the step application. It's a predetermined 14-inch length, and for a trim application, the install technique would be to establish all the corners on the deck, installing it the same way as the other trims would be installed, and then fill in the voids. Stretch a string, make a nice straight line, fill in the voids with the remainder of the trim. On the step application, it can be used, the 14 inches is so that it rests and allows you a miter return at the back, or it can be cut off, determined by the tread width. There is one thing that we'd like to talk about from an aesthetic perspective. On more narrow steps, when you would end up with a very, very small filler board, we recommend that you cut the trim and provide a expansion joint 3 to 4 inches away from the corner, and this is just more aesthetically pleasing. It's not a requirement, but recommended.